Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new chapter 12, which is also based on circle, which means area related to circle we have to find out. So, first, I am going to recall the memory about the circles. In a circle, the fixed point known as center and center to circumference distance called its radius. Area of this circle is given by pi r square and circumference is always given by 2 pi r. We know about all these things. In earlier classes we taught about this. पहले से जानते हैं अपन. Now some more new things which we have to know in this class. The first is chord. The line segment which is joining two points lie on the circumference of circle known as chord. And this chord divides this circle into two parts. This is the major part, this one is minor, and we are saying them segments. So it is called major segment, and this one is called minor segment. Similarly, if we are using two radius like this, here is the chord and here we are using two radius, then this area known as minor sector and this one known as major sector. So what we look here, by the use of chord we can construct two segments. One of them is major, second one is minor, and by the use of two radius we can construct two sectors. One of them is minor, second one is major. जिधर acute angle बनेगा और obtuse, rather we can say less than 180 means obtuse, तो वो तो होगा माइनर, और जो 180 से ग्रेटर है अपना दैट इज नॉन एज मेजर सेक्टर रीजन. यहाँ ये बड़ा हिस्सा है तो ये हमेशा मेजर पार्ट होगा, ये स्मॉलर वन है माइनर पार्ट होगा. तो ये सेगमेंट और सेक्टर में डिफरेंस है. पहले तो ये समझें कि सेक्टर किससे बनता है, दो रेडियस. व्हाट अबाउट सेगमेंट, इट इज जनरेटेड बाय कोड. तो ये कोड से बनता है. तो ये तो चीजें हुई अपनी इनकी. अब इन्हीं में इफ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट दिस आर्क AB which is related to minor segment known as minor arc. This one is called minor arc and this one is major arc. If this angle is theta, माइनर आर्क के द्वारा सेंटर पर जो एंगल बना हुआ है, द मेजरमेंट ऑफ दैट एंगल इज थीटा, देन वी कैन कैलकुलेट थ्री थिंग्स हियर. द फर्स्ट वन इज एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर, द सेकंड वन इज एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर, एंड आल्सो वी कैन कैलकुलेट द लेंथ ऑफ माइनर आर्क. सो वी आर डिस्कसिंग हियर अबाउट दीज फॉर्मूलाज. First we are talking about length of minor arc. And this is given by pi r theta upon 180. ये इसकी लेंथ है L, कैपिटल L से अपन इसे रिप्रेजेंट। अब इसी चीज को यदि अपन 2 से और मल्टीप्लाई कर दें, इफ वी आर मल्टीप्लाइंग दिस 2 by 2, then this can be expressed as theta upon 360 into 2 pi r. So we can show the length of minor arc by this formula also. And if you want to find out the length of major arc, means this is, if you want to find out this, just change the value of theta. Suppose if this one theta is 60 degree, if it is 60, then what is the measurement of this rest angle? 360 minus 60 means 300 degree. तो ये इसका मेजरमेंट है। तो इस थीटा की जगह यदि अपन 300 रख दें तो ये लेंथ ऑफ मेजर आर्क हो जाएगी। जस्ट चेंज द वैल्यू ऑफ थीटा, यू विल गेट द लेंथ ऑफ मेजर आर्क। दूसरा पैटर्न, पहले पूरे की सरकमफ्रेंस निकाले 2 पाई आर और उसमें से लेंथ ऑफ माइनर आर्क माइनस कर दें, तो अपन इस तरीके से भी इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। दिस इज द फर्स्ट फार्मूला यूज्ड फॉर लेंथ ऑफ आर्क। नाउ वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट द एरिया ऑफ minor sector. Area of minor sector, this. And it is given by 1 by 2 into L into R, which means जैसे अपना होता है ना 1 by 2 base into height, according to that we can write 1 by 2 length of minor arc into radius, and the length of minor arc we have already calculated. So 1 by 2 into L, which is given by pi r theta upon 180 into r. So we are writing here theta upon 360 into pi r square. So we can say that pi r square theta upon 360 is the formula used to find out area of minor sector. And if you want to find out the area of major sector, then what we have to do? Then we have to do that it is equals to, just change the theta, 360 minus theta upon 360 into pi r square. This is our area of major sector. तो इस बड़े वाले का एरिया निकालना हो तो ये जो थीटा है वो 360 में से माइनस कर दो। This is the angle of major sector. Just replace this theta by this formula. You will get the area of major sector. तो ये मेजर सेक्टर का एरिया निकालने का अपना तरीका। तो अब 3 फॉर्मूले आपने पढ़े, लेंथ ऑफ माइनर आर्क, लेंथ ऑफ मेजर आर्क, पहला तो ये हो गया। सेकंड, एरिया ऑफ माइनर सेक्टर एंड एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर। नाउ द थर्ड थिंग इज which is related to segment. And segment is given like this. If we are having a circle and a chord in it, AB, then this is said to be minor segment. It is called minor segment. and this one is major segment. And now we have to find out the area of this one. So we are going to join the center by endpoints of this chord, and measurement of this angle is theta here. Then what we are looking here, this area, shaded region, can be calculated as, first we have to find the area of this minor sector and then subtract the area of this triangle. You will get minor segment area. So area of minor segment is given by area of sector first, and that is pi r square theta upon 360, and we have to minus the area of this triangle, which is given by 1 by 2 base into height, and that is calculated as 1 by 2 into r sin theta into r, or rather we can say r squared sin theta upon 2. Directly you can apply that. So r squared sin theta upon 2. This area is given for minor segment. Area of sector minus area of triangle. This is the way to find out area of minor segment. Now if you want to calculate the area of major sector, then what is the process? Area of major segment, and it is calculated by, if we are having the total area of this circle, which is given by pi r square, and now we are going to subtracting this area of minor segment. It gives us the area of this major sector including this triangle. तो पूरे सर्कल के एरिया में से यदि माइनर सेगमेंट का एरिया अपन माइनस कर देते हैं तो हमें जो बचा हुआ एरिया मिलता है वो किसका मिलता है? मेजर सेगमेंट का, जो ये विदाउट साइडेड ऊपर वाला पूरा पार्ट है, दैट इज। तो इस तरह से अपन इसका निकाल सकते हैं एरिया ऑफ मेजर एंड माइनर सेगमेंट। तो ये तो हुए अपने इसका बेसिक कंसेप्ट जो इस चैप्टर में अपने को काम आने वाले हैं। अब इनके यूजेस कैसे होंगे तो लेट्स सी। द 12.1 एक्सरसाइज इन विच सम प्रॉब्लम्स आर गिवन हियर। द फर्स्ट वन इज रेडियाई ऑफ टू सर्कल्स आर 19 and 9 centimeter. Find the radius of circle which has circumferences equal to the sum of the circumference of these two circles. What is given is, we are having two circles here. The first one is this, and suppose the second one is this. The radius of this one, R1, is 9 centimeter, and the radius of this one, R2, is 19 centimeter. These two radius are given, and what is given us? Sum of the circumferences of these two is equal to the circumference of the new circle. Suppose we are taking the radius of this circle is A. According to question, the circumference of this one 2 pi r1, the circumference of this one 2 pi r2 is equal to the circumference of this one 2 pi r. So what is given here in each term? 2 pi, cancelling this, so the remaining part is r1 plus r2 is equal to r, and the value of r1 r2 is 9 and 19. Substitute here. So the radius of new circle is 28 centimeter. We have here. This is the way. So this is our first problem, in which sum of the circumference of these two circles is equal to the circumference of new circle. In the Second question, the radius are changed now. The radius are given here 6 and 8. 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. And it is given that the sum of the areas of these two circles is equals to the area of that circle. Area sum. Pi r1 square plus pi r2 square is equals to pi r square. What is in all these three terms? We are having pi here. So cancel this pi from each term. Value of r1 is 6, so 6 square. R2 is 8 square, and r square we have to find out. Here is 36, 64 and r square. So 100 r square. Taking square root 10 centimeter is the radius of that one. तो ये अपना सेकंड प्रॉब्लम था इसका. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ये उसका सॉल्यूशन दिखाई दिया. अब अपन बात कर लेते हैं question number 3. In that question, what we have to do? Some concentric circles are given: the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth, like this. All these are concentrics. So the radius of this one is r1, radius of this two is r2, r3, r4, r5. So if we want to find out the radius area of this inner circle, first a smaller one, so area of that one is given by pi r1 square, and it is golden area according to the question. ये गोल्ड कलर में दे रखा है यहाँ वाला, ये सिर्फ इतना, ये इसका एरिया है. And if you want to find out the area of this one, इसका एरिया सेकंड, तो टू कॉन्सेंट्रिक सर्कल का एरिया यदि अपने को यानी ये वाला रीजन निकालना, तो व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, टेकिंग द एरिया ऑफ लार्जर वन एंड सब्ट्रैक्टिंग फ्रॉम इट द स्मॉलर वन्स एरिया, यू विल गेट द बाउंडेड रीजन बाय दीस टू सर्कल. सो एरिया ऑफ which type of color here? Red. Red region. It is given by pi r2 square minus pi r1 square. And if you want to find out the area of this third region, which is here blue color area, according to the question, it is shaded in blue color. So area of blue color, या blue region, it is given by pi r3 square minus pi r2 square. वही कंसेप्ट सेम, थर्ड वाले सर्कल के एरिया में से सेकंड वाले सर्कल का एरिया माइनस कर दें तो बाउंडेड रीजन आ जाएगा जो उनके बीच में है. एंड इफ यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट द एरिया ऑफ ब्लैक, that is this one. So this circle is fourth and this circle is third. So subtracting third from fourth area, you will get the black region, and the last one is white. So if you want to find out the fifth region, that is white, then what we have to do? We have to do the area of fifth circle minus area of fourth circle. Now what are the radius of these? The radius, the first radius is given 10.5, which means R1 is 10.5 centimeter. The diameter is 21, that's why the radius is half of that, 10.5. And now the width of each is 10.5. This is the width. So if we want to find out the radius of second one, just add this distance, which is the width of bounded region. So R2 is 21, R3 is 31.5, R4 is 42 and R5 is 52.5 centimeter. So these are the radius of all 5 circles. Substitute all these values here, you will get the bounded region. एरिया का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करते जाइए, अपने आप पता चलता चला जाएगा. तो इस तरह से अपन ये कुछ क्वेश्चंस इस एक्सरसाइज 12.1 के अपन ने देखे. रेस्ट इन नेक्स्ट मीटिंग. हैव अ गुड डे.